In this video, I'm gonna show you guys here my top 3 staking altcoins for passive income. What's going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And today, I'm gonna tell you guys here my top 3 favorite altcoins to stake for passive income. Now, before I even tell you guys these top 3, let me give you this perspective, okay? And that is, in the future, people will be living off of the crypto. Now, what do I mean by this? Basically, somebody out there owns $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Right? They say Bitcoin is going to be worth $1 million per coin one day, which I do believe. But, you own $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and let's say you go to Celsius or Nexo, they pay you 6% just for holding your Bitcoin. Obviously, it's not staking, it's lending. Earning 6% on the million will give you $60,000 a year that you can take out cash out. And that's basically around the average salary per year. Now, let's say, for example, here, let me use Solana here, for example, and show you guys here. So Solana, you can stake this on Exodus for 6%. So it's the same thing. Only $1 million worth of Solana, you're going to get about 60 grand a year. That you can either keep it as the coin or you can cash it out and sell it for whichever coin they're able to buy and sell at that time. So let me tell you guys here my first one, and obviously it's already here, it's Solana. But for each one, I'm gonna give you guys here some reasons why, okay? The reason why I like Solana is at the current moment, it is the most staked crypto asset by value. That basically means that based on all the crypto that is staked by, it has the biggest value. And it used to be Cardano, which is still a very good one. But it overtook it, and obviously there's a reason for that, right? There's a reason why Solana went from $30 to like over $200. And many people don't like Solana because it's too centralized or with the network problems. But honestly, I think in the future, a lot of cryptos that are centralized are still going to be here and actually be very well. And if you want to stake Solana, there's many places to stake it. Exodus is one of them for 6.06% at the moment. You can also do Cardano there. But Exodus is a great place because it's a hot wallet, or you can use your Trezor to connect to Exodus. As you guys can see right here, they have connectivity with Trezor, as you guys can see. And you can keep it in your Trezor and stake it with Exodus, which is awesome. So that is my first one, Solana. And my second one is going to be a higher risk, higher reward play, and this one is going to be Vericity, which at the moment, if you guys go here to CoinMarketCap, this is the top staking tokens by market cap, and Vericity is number 351. So obviously Vericity is super low cap at the moment. You guys can see here the market cap. And again, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising anything. This is only my opinion and only for educational purposes only. So please understand that, and please do your own research on all these cryptos that you can stake. But I really researched Vericity. I even made a video on it on why you should own at least 10K of VRA. You guys can check it out here at the top. But I really like the project. I like where it's going, and you can actually at the current moment stake it on their website for 25%, which is crazy. And if you want to learn how to stake Vericity, you can watch my other video here on how to stake Vericity. If you guys don't know what Vericity is, it's similar to Theta in the way that it's a video streaming platform where people and creators and watchers earn the VRA token. And for example, like Twitch is a very centralized platform, right? Vericity is more decentralized in the way that creators are getting more and viewers are getting something as well. So definitely do your own research on Vericity, but I really like it. And you guys got to understand, this is a high risk, high reward play. Back in 2019, Cardano was like 3 cents. Imagine if you invested like 2 grand, 3 grand, something like that in Cardano once it was 3 cents, and you're able to stake Cardano for like 5% now. Right? So Vericity, in my opinion, is kind of like Cardano back in the day. And obviously it depends a lot on the project to do well, to grow in the price. So that's my second one there, Vericity. And moving on here to my third one, and this one's gonna be my most confident play, and that's gonna be Ethereum. And I know what you guys are saying right now, Ethereum is not stakeable, you can't stake Ethereum. But the thing is, you will be in the future once Ethereum goes from proof of work to proof of stake. And most likely when that happens, it will overtake Solana in the most staked by value, right? At the current moment, it's Solana, but once Ethereum goes to proof of stake, it's going to be Ethereum, obviously, simply because it has a huge market cap, as you guys can see right here. But if you guys actually want to earn passive income on Ethereum as of right now, you guys can join Celsius, use my referral code in the description below, and you can lend your Ethereum on Celsius and get 5% APY, and you get paid weekly. And also, if you use my referral code for Celsius, you get like $50 worth of Bitcoin for free. So these are my top 3 staking altcoins for passive income. Now you guys got to realize that you got to do your own research, and you got to be patient as well, because the more that these altcoins grow in price, the more that you're going to get back from that staking value. It kind of helps you hold your crypto and get rewards from it, right? So yeah guys, those are my top 3 staking cryptos and altcoins to get. Do your own research and join my free Facebook group. Check out my Patreon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.